Hello, what's up guys? In this video I'll show you how to add voiceover on TikTok. So first of all, open up TikTok and let's just try to if you want to record any video and you want to add voiceover on that, you can simply do that. Let me just show you. Let's suppose you are recording something like a clip, right? Now here you can see there are options available, so you have to just go ahead. Now here you can see on the top right side options available, so you can see the voiceover. Just tap on that voiceover. Now you start recording. Okay, now it will you can simply just add or just do the voiceover. Okay, but I haven't just done that, so what you can do is simply you can add the voiceover and just give save. Now you can also add voice effects if you want to make it more cool, or like if you want to add any effects, you can do that. Or if you don't want to do it, you can just simply skip that part. But I'm just showing you guys if you want to add any voice effects, so this tool will help you to complete the job. Alright, so in this way you can add voice over on your TikTok video, and you can just simply post that video.